Hi, welcome back to another video. If you are visiting here for the first time, hi there, I post easy DIY nail art ideas twice every week. So if you love nail art, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Before we get into today's Halloween nail art tutorial, let me tell you that I have already uploaded 2 easy Halloween nail art designs on my channel which you can quickly make at home. I will link them both at the end of this video so you can easily check them out after you have watched this video. For today's Halloween nail art, I am gonna be making ombre design on my index, pinky as well as thumbnail. So first I painted all these 3 nails in red nail polish to create a base for my ombre design. Then I took a makeup sponge and applied a little bit of red as well as black nail polish on it like so, and dabbed it couple of times on my nails until I was happy with the design. Then I painted my middle finger nail in white base and the ring finger nail in the black base. I'm going to make a blood fingerprint design on my middle fingernail, and for this I use a finger of my other hand and applied a little bit of red nail polish on the inside of it and wiped off almost all the nail polish and then dabbed it couple of times on the white base of my middle fingernail like so. I repeated the same step a couple of times until I was happy with the final result. This is the simplest way of creating blood fingerprints design, and if you wish, you can even create this design on all your 5 fingernails on the Halloween night, as it is really quick and easy. Now on the ring fingernail, I created a spider web design using a toothpick like so. Just create a couple of lines and make sure they all meet at one particular end of your nail like so, and then create some C kind of shapes inside these lines to make it look like a spider web. And that's it. You can now go ahead and remove all your latex or clean the edges properly to make sure your manicure looks nice and clean, and then finally go ahead and apply a good quality top coat to make your manicure look shinier and beautiful, or should I say scary. Whatever it is, I'll leave it to you to decide. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think of this mani. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!